Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something different. For the first time ever, we are going to make a hot pot at home today. If you guys don't know about hot pot and what is hot pot is a Chinese traditional Chinese cooking method. There are hot pot restaurant out there like in Dubai we can find so many hot pot restaurants. If you want to see real hot pot restaurant like how it looks like, I have done one video a couple of months back. You can go and watch that video. I have put link over here and I have put the link in the description also. So today a few of my friends are coming to my place for the dinner, so we decided to do a hot pot at home. All of us are dying fans of hot pot, so we decided to do it at home. There's one more reason guys, because before the COVID-19 situation, we used to go to the hot pot restaurants more oftenly, but because of the virus situation, we are still not ready to go out and have the food in the restaurant. So we miss hot pot so much, so we decide like why we waiting, let's try to make it our own. I'm not sure how it will go, but let's see. I think this will be a fun because it's a teamwork. That's why I want to share my experience with you guys. I don't want to teach you how to make a hot pot, but it's purely I want to share the experience with you guys. Let's see how it goes. First thing, I did a quick research on Google to find a place where we can buy ingredients for the hot pot, because these kind of ingredients we can't find every grocery shop. So there are specific shops which sell these kind of items. So I found few shops around Dubai. Then I narrowed it down for two places which I thought best. One place is International City. Second one is located in Dera. So, and finally I pick V-Mart, which is located in Dera. I want to tell you one thing guys, no one sponsored for me this video. These are purely my opinions and my findings when I did the research on Google. So we went to V-Mart and yeah, I was right, it was a good place. They have all kind of food we need for the hot pot. And if you are living in Dubai and if you love Chinese or Korean food, V-Mart will be a good place for you guys. This is the base for the soup, and this is spicy. All of us love spicy, so we pick spicy one. We got 2 packets of this. hope you enjoyed the video. It was really good and it was really nice. All of us really enjoyed it, and hope you saw that in my video also. uh, okay then, that's about it for today's video. See you in my next video. Until that, take care. Goodbye.